5 people died in a freak incident near Mandikayur village of the district when a truck carrying a granite boulder rammed into the finance-bound Bangalore Express Train at around 2:30 a.m. today. Speaking to the Hindu, the Anantapur Superintendent of Police, S.V. who along with the district collector Sadar reached the accident spot, said that the brakes of the truck carrying the granite boulder, weighing several tons, had failed, leaving it to ram into the S1 coach of the Bangalore Express. While 5, including the truck's cleaner, who is yet to be identified, have been pronounced dead by doctors at the Hindu Core Government General Hospital. More than 30, most